Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you are new here, and today I have for you the very last Sephora play box. So Sephora, they sent out this email saying that they've decided to do away with the play boxes and they are going to replace them with something else. I'm kind of confused about what it is. I got the email right in front of me. So I think they're replacing it with like a luxe box or something that's like a little bit bigger than the play boxes. I'm not really sure. I'm sure if you just look it up, you can find information about it. Okay, so the little card here says the class of 2020, and it says right on here, this will be your final play box you will receive. And it just tells you to go to Sephora.com for like more information and stuff. And then they gave me some stickers. Very interesting, but okay. This is their little bag that they got, red, and on the back it says, "Thank you for playing." It's really funny, but okay. This looks like there's more than 5 items. I could be wrong though. So first up I have this. It's by It Cosmetics Secret Sauce. I think it's like a, oh yes, okay. It's a clinically advanced miraculous anti-aging moisturizer. So that should be very nice. So this is what the sample looks like. I always smell everything. I don't know why. Alright, but it just looks and feels like a regular moisturizer. Nothing too fancy about it. What is this? We got shampoo and conditioner samples. This is the Verb Ghost shampoo and Verb Ghost conditioner. It says no parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. So that's pretty cool. And then we got this Belief moisturizing eye balm. And then next up we have this Dr. Andrew Wheel for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Oh gosh. I think some dropped on me. What the heck? Oh! Oh my gosh, why is this like this? Oh my gosh, it just poured out everywhere. Oh man. What? This is lotion? This is liquid. How is this lotion? Do you hear that? Oh my gosh. Okay, what? Soothing treatment lotion. Okay, I'm like reading it right. I'm thinking like body lotion or hand lotion. Why is this like a liquid? Shake well, pat on clean skin with cotton pad or fingertips. Okay, so it's like a lotion, but it's like a liquid lotion. I have never seen that before. I just dumped it all over myself. Goodness. Okay, well that's definitely interesting. The smell, I can't really describe the smell. It's not like a bad smell or anything. It's a pretty good smell. This thing will definitely be interesting. Let me just wipe up the mess here. Jeez. It's like a liquid. So yeah, if you get that in your box, be careful. Don't just like shake it because it'll fly everywhere. Next up we got this little lipstick, sample from Bare Minerals. Full of lip smoothing color. Free of dryness. I don't really do lip stuff. What color is this? Does it even say? I think the color is Honesty. Yes, the color is Honesty. let me just swatch this real quick. I really don't do lipsticks at all. So that's about how much you get in it. Should I like try it out? Oh my gosh. Okay. It's just gonna get everywhere. Okay, so that is the color. Not bad. It's like a light pinkish color. Not horrible. And we got one more item. How much? One? I think we got an extra item in this bag this month. Probably because it's the last one. Oh, I got the They're Real mascara from Benefit. I actually already have one of these that I got from Ipsy, and I like it. It's not a bad mascara. It's one of my faves, I guess. Alright guys, so that is it to this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox the very last Sephora Play box. It was definitely interesting. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, you can do that. I will link my stuff down below, and I will put the handle right here. And if you haven't already, you can go head over to my vlog channel and also follow me there. There's just some kind of random videos I do there too. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!